Hello guys, welcome back to another new video. Today I'm explaining how to input text file on Excel 2016. So guys, this video totally education purpose and I will show these tips. So subscribe more video and like this video. So open Excel and I choose blank file. Okay, now data and new query from file from folder. So now I open the pop-up menu and I'm select the desktop file. Okay, just browse. Okay, I'm just click desktop. Okay, so I'm just click this file. Okay, now desktop and scroll down. So no data. So guys, now click on again and click browser and I'm here documents and scroll down and my data is score and I don't show text file. So click OK and this is file important, so I will share new tips and new video. So goodbye.